Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So because we need to find the value of this one based on the terms of 8. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 10. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 10s to the power of 9 ds dv. That is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we put number 10 from here gone here. And now we have the integration from 0 to number 1. S to the power of 9 e to the power of s ds. And now we put number 1 and number 0 gone here. So this one we have number 1, this one we have e, this one you got number 0, and we just put like this. This one that is about this one, so we put capital 8, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.